Well, hello, my loves. How are you all today? Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. My name is Silvina, and in today's video, I'm going to share with you some modest outfit ideas for summer. So in summer, logically, since it's hot, people tend to wear less and less clothes. But honestly, that has never been like my thing. I generally maintain a more covered style. That's just how I prefer it. But the reality is that it's a little challenging to do so without burning yourself to death, especially if you live in places where it's really hot. A great way to fight the heat is to wear lightweight fabrics like linen or cotton or silk or chiffon, and also light colors. That is a great way to keep yourself a little fresher but modestly dressed. Loose pieces are also great because they don't stick to your skin, they let the air run through your body, and they also look very modest too. Also, you can opt for different lengths, like for example, instead of wearing a long sleeve, you can wear a quarter sleeve or a longer short sleeve, like for example this one. Or instead of wearing like a maxi skirt or dress or full length pants, you can opt for capris or culottes or midi and knee length skirts. You know that I always rave about the power of accessories, so if you want to dress more modestly but you feel that modest outfits are a little bit too boring, then you can totally lift them up with accessories like a nice hairpiece or a necklace. There are infinite possibilities. And lastly, although I believe that prints can be used like all year round, summer is the perfect occasion to wear like floral prints or animal prints or nature prints that liven up your outfit. So without further ado, let's check out some outfit ideas. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. Let me know down below if you like this outfit and which one was your favorite. Lastly, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn the notifications on for more fashion and lifestyle content. And as always, I will leave the links in the description box of all of my social media so you can go check them out. I hope you have the most amazing day ever. Ciao, ciao!